Welcome to Wise Wednesday, a weekly video series where we give you BBB tips and advice to help you become a wiser consumer. I'm Nicole Thomas, Director of Communications for BBB, serving Northern Indiana, and today we're talking about preparing to hire a lawn care professional this spring. It's that time of year again when consumers are looking to spruce up their lawn for spring. Having a beautiful, well-kept lawn can be a hassle. So many homeowners turn to hiring professionals to take care of their landscaping. When looking at a lawn care service, there are typically three categories: landscaping, lawn maintenance, and sprinkler systems. So before deciding which service you are looking for, evaluate your needs. Some businesses specialize in one area while others offer a variety of services. There may be things that a lawn may need to recover from the winter season, and hiring a landscape contractor or lawn maintenance service gives homeowners the professional help they need to prepare for the new season. Use BBB's tips to find a landscaper that fits your needs. Number 1, research and gather information. You can search for a business's BBB business profile at bbb.org to get free information on their history of complaints. You can read customer reviews and check whether they're BBB accredited. You can get a list of BBB accredited lawn maintenance companies at bbb.org/near-me/lawn-maintenance. Number 2, ask for a lawn inspection. Services that quote a price without seeing your lawn cannot be sure what your lawn really needs. Businesses will sometimes charge you to discuss specific landscaping ideas to protect themselves against clients who want to take their ideas and implement them themselves. Number 3, have a clear scope of work before asking for estimates. This includes defining the area to be worked on and what you want done. When getting bids, don't compare apples to oranges. Make sure that each business has included the same services. Number 4, ask for references and pictures of other jobs that they've completed. If possible, visit these locations to get a first-hand view of the quality of the work. Ask the references about their experiences before, during, and after the work was done. Number 5, get specifics on prices and be clear on what services are included. Many businesses allow you to pay after each treatment and may offer a discount if you pay the annual cost up front. If you're maintaining the landscaping yourself, ask for detailed instructions and be prepared to follow them. Number 6, check to see if the lawn care provider needs a license to work in your area. In particular, they may need a license to apply pesticides. Ask to see any certifications or licenses in your area. Number 7, get everything in writing and read all agreements and contracts carefully. Make sure the contract contains all topics discussed and promises made. Document the duration and expected results of the lawn care service. The contract should list the quantity, size, and types of plants, as well as other materials. Look for guarantees and refund policies. Some services may offer a guarantee of performance. Definitely get receipts for any money paid. If you spot a scam, whether you've lost money or not, report it to BBB's Scam Tracker at bbb.org/scam tracker and the FTC at reportfraud.ftc.gov. Your story can help other consumers avoid similar scams. Thank you for watching, and remember that we post a video every week to help you become a wiser consumer. See you next Wednesday.